Hey, this is Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and we've come to the conclusion. This is look number 21 in our 21 Looks Heat Printing series. We've been going strong all month, showing you a new look each weekday, and not only showing you how to make the look, but giving you marketing assets, photography, videos to be able to promote that look out on your social media. If this is the first video you're watching, well, congratulations. You can binge watch all 20 other looks on our YouTube channel at Stahls TV. And so I don't know about you, some of you are probably sad, but I am actually happy to reach the conclusion of our 21 looks. It's been a lot of work putting this together from our team, so I want to thank them, and we're going to finish on a really bright spot as we discuss our last look, which is aimed at just a graphic tee that can go into streetwear or fashion or any of these categories. So this is going to be decorated onto a district concert tee. We're picking a really bright color, which we expect to continue to do well as we move through 2021. And this is one of my favorite new products, guys. This is called CAD-Cut Soft Flock. If you've used our flock before, this is even softer. Okay, so it's available in a wide variety of colors. You can order it just like this. If you're worried about cutting flock materials on your vinyl cutter, you can get it pre-cut for you, where all you need to do is heat press it on, or you can purchase it by the roll and load it onto your vinyl cutter. In either case, I want to head over to the heat press and show you how to heat apply our last look. I'm going to start by splitting the shirt and threading it onto the press as we've always been doing and teaching here at Stahls TV. I'm going to drape the collar off of the edge to get a completely flat printing surface. Then you want to preheat. Now I am using the 16 by 20 press that you can see here. It's our Hotronix Auto Open Clam, but I've went ahead and loaded it with our 11 by 15 lower attachments. That'll allow me to split and thread it like this. It wouldn't fit, this size shirt wouldn't fit over my 16 by 20 platen. Now, this is a really simple design, and it's okay to have something that's easy to execute, easy to cut, easy to weed. I'm just going to position that down into place. It's just a script font, and then I'm going to lock the heat press down for the recommended time, temperature, and pressure. Now, this soft lock product is a cold peel, so I'll let it cool all the way down after it's been heat applied, and then I'll peel to reveal the finished result. So you just grab the corner after it's cooled down and then peel it away at a 45-degree angle to reveal the finished result. Now, flock has this soft, velvety texture. It's not vinyl at all, although it's cut like a heat transfer vinyl and we call it that, but it's actually a raised fiber that just feels great on the garment. Very cozy, very luxurious, high-end feel, so it's a perfect product for decorating graphic tees. So that wraps it up, guys. What do you do now? I've already told you enough times to download the guide and download the look, so I'm not going to tell you that right now. What I would encourage you to do is to source some of these products and try out looks of your own. Certainly you could like this video, but more importantly, you could subscribe to the Stahls TV YouTube channel. We've been putting out a ton of content throughout the last 5 years, really, certainly throughout the last month, to inspire you to grow your sales in your business. Make sure you connect with us, subscribe to the videos, and take a visit over to stahls.com, which is also linked in the description, to research all of these products and perhaps request a catalog. Thanks so much for joining us in these 21 Looks series. We hope that you were inspired, and we certainly hope that you're able to make sales because of the content that we've produced. Thanks for watching.